Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about the off-campus jobs and how to crack an AI role in off-campus setup. So this video is the natural extension of my last video, where many of my followers or subscribers commented and messaged me about this video. That okay, now tell us how to basically tackle the off-campus scenario and how to grab a job off-campus. Okay, as I told you in my last video that right now I am pursuing my masters. I'm about to complete my masters in AI at IIT Kharagpur, and I could not, or basically I got rejected in 3 or 4 interviews in on-campus placements. And then after that, after a few days, I only left the placement process, okay, at college, and then started preparing for off-campus job. And then I got an AI scientist role at a startup, at an AI startup, basically. Okay, so here in this video, I'm going to tell you you can say six secrets, okay, or 6 ways or 6 strategies to basically crack an AI role off campus. See, I can tell you many things right now, but most of the things are very cliche or are already covered, okay, in most of the videos on my channel or on other channels, right? So this video will be about some unique things which you might not have heard about, okay, or you might not have used. So just watch till the end and you will get, I'm sure that you will get some perspectives about off campus interviews, right? Because many candidates after rejection from on-campus placement process generally get disappointed that okay, now what to do, or many of them don't even basically believe that they can get off-campus good role, right? They can get good AI role off-campus also, right? And sometimes even better than on-campus. Okay, okay, so that is possible. You just have to believe and follow the path very smartly. That's it. Okay, so this video will basically clarify a lot of things for you. So this video will be for, of course, the tier 1 college and tier 2 college students, and especially for tier 3 college students who basically don't get enough opportunities on campus. Okay, so this is the video for you, though I have already told you many things about getting or about cracking the jobs in general for AI roles, AI ML roles in many of my videos, but this will be specifically about off campus. Okay, so in this video, we will cover 6 points which you need to be careful about. Okay, fine. So let us start with the first point. So the first point is applying alongside the preparation. I have seen one thing among the candidates, and even I was going through that thing. That okay, I will apply. I will start applying to the jobs, to the AI jobs, once I basically, or once my preparation is perfect. Okay, they basically, so the learners keep building the projects, keep learning the concepts, keep reading the books. Okay, and then and just they just keep waiting that okay, once I finish everything, then I will start applying, otherwise there's no point. Okay, and suppose if you are basically getting rejected in the on campus placement in December, right? In IITs or NITs, generally the placement happens in December. So now they wait for 3 4 months to start applying, right? Many of their seniors tell them that okay, no, wait till March. After March only you should apply, because before March companies basically won't be looking for hiring, or they will be busy in campus placements. But that might not be true. Okay, and perfect preparation is a myth. Okay, you don't need to wait for few months, or you don't need to wait for the perfect preparation before applying. Okay, you should have just a basic and decent level of preparation. Okay, and then just start applying alongside the preparation only. Okay, suppose if you have gone through the basically the theory part, okay, you have built some projects, some machine learning projects, some deep learning projects, okay, a basic RAG project, that is enough if you are looking for AI or ML role, suppose. Okay, and then start applying, right? See, okay, see, there is no basically there is no loss in applying, right? If okay, if you apply, what could happen at max? You will get rejected, right? Fine, so that is fine, right? Even if you don't apply, you are already rejected, right? So just start applying. By chance, if you get a chance to interview, okay, that will be an added experience. So you will get an exposure that okay, how to take, or basically how to appear for the interview, right? How to face the questions. Okay, so that is, of course, that is good. So why are you waiting, right? Just start applying. Okay, it is not like that. Okay, once you finish your preparation and then you will start applying, and the next day you will get the job or you will get the interview call. No, it won't happen, right? It is very less likely for you to get an interview call within few days, right? It might take few months. So start applying, right? Start looking for the jobs. Okay, once you have a decent resume. Okay, so that is the first point. Don't wait. Okay, because once you start applying, then only you will get, or you will realize that okay, why I am getting, or basically why I'm not getting any call. Okay, is there any problem with my resume? Then okay, then again you can review your things, right? Again you can review your projects or resume. So you will learn a lot of things while applying only, right? Or by applying. So start applying. Okay, and even for the on-campus thing, don't wait for March. Okay, you can start applying by February, right? I was also told by many people that okay, now you can wait till March. Okay, for 2 or 3 months, just prepare or just build the projects. But I started applying, right? I started applying in February, and by the end of the February, I had the job offer. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. From February, you can start safely after your campus placements. Okay, fine. Now the next point, second point is you need to basically take the job descriptions very seriously. Okay, so many followers, again, many subscribers ask me that, okay, what is relevant for the industry, or what should I study, or what skills I should have for a particular AI ML role. Okay, be it a data scientist or AI engineer or ML engineer or many things, right? So now, the first source or the credible source for the skills or to know the skills required for a particular role is the job descriptions by the companies. Okay, you need to study or you need to at least read the 20-30 job descriptions for a particular desired role you want. Okay, so first read that job descriptions 20-30 and then scan it, right, and just check what they're asking for exactly. Okay, what basically what educational qualification they're asking for, what exact skills they want, right, what concepts they want. Okay, so you will get an idea that okay, what I need to do for a particular role, right, and then make a list of skills you should have for a particular role. Okay, sometimes JDs also list down the basically type of projects or the concepts or the applied concepts you can use in your projects. Okay, so you will always get an idea, you will always get an industrial idea that okay, what they want exactly. Okay, so go through the JDs once and then prepare your list of skills or basically the projects, etc. That is very important. Now the third point is you need to build the projects at a high bar. Okay, I have told these things. Okay, I have told this thing many times in my videos. Okay, that the bar of the projects you should have has already been increased. Okay, the skills which were expected from a senior role, okay, or from an experienced role 2 or 3 or 4 years ago, now that is expected from a fresher. Okay, the bar has increased, so your project level should also increase. So now what does it mean? So now I would suggest you to include few things which are must for a, basically for your projects. First is fine tune. You should have you or you must have a project having a fine tuning of a particular LLM. Okay, you can use the LLM from the Hugging Face, but fine tune it on your own data set. That is first thing. Second, it is better if you basically deploy an LLM. Okay, okay, on a particular platform like Render or Railway. Okay, you optimize the inference of an LLM. Okay, so these things you should have: inference optimization, cost optimization. Okay, fine tuning. Fine tuning itself is a very basically big thing, right? So it's a good concept and industries love it. Okay, so that is the first thing. Next, one project on RAG. Okay, RAG is very complex thing. Okay, it looks easy but it is not. So one project must be there on RAG. So RAG and LLM, they it is non-negotiable. Okay, so build your projects at a good level now. LLM and RAG, and of course then you can have a complex deep learning or machine learning project. So there is nothing about it. I have already told you many things about projects in my videos earlier, but the only thing is that your bar for the project should be high. Okay, and one more thing, fast API. You need to use fast API as a backend. Okay, and then deploy. So fast API is must, okay, for most of the projects, or flask API if you want. Okay. Now the next thing is where do you apply? Okay, so see here I don't have a long list. Okay, I have tried many platforms. Okay, and you will get many videos which will tell you that okay, apply on this platform for off campus. Okay, and for remote jobs and all those things. Okay, but for me, for my internship also and for my off campus job, LinkedIn worked for me in both cases. So I can tell you that LinkedIn is the most prominent thing where you can basically track the industry trend and apply for the jobs and even approach the founders or the HRs or CEOs. Okay, so LinkedIn, I think that is where you should focus on. Okay, you should be updated, or your post or your profile should be updated. Keep posting about your projects, make relevant connections, okay, in the AI industry, and then you can approach the founders. That is the best place where you can approach the founders of AI startups easily, because see, AI startups and their founders, they are hungry for their talent. Okay, they don't care about tier 1, tier 2 college. Okay, they just care about your skills. Okay, and it's the best platform where you can showcase your skill, where you can message them personally, right? So I think LinkedIn is the best platform. I have already made a video that how to use LinkedIn, okay, and optimally. Okay, so the link for that video will be given in the description. Just watch it and check, okay, that how you can optimize or leverage LinkedIn for applying to the jobs. Okay, next, fifth point, that is a small thing, and that is not necessary, but that looks good. Okay, you should have an online portfolio. Of course, you have your resume, that's fine, right? But it is better if you have an online platform where you can, again, you can just put all your information, whatever you have put on the resume, same thing on the online portfolio. Okay, so because it is better, or it is easy for recruiter to scan through your profile using, or basically on the portfolio which is online, right? Okay, so it is better because that will be just using a link. You can share that link with anyone and then you can check it. Okay, so having an online platform is not basically necessary, but that is good. Okay, now how to build it? So now you have a lot of AI tools, right? So for this you can just use any no code AI tool if you are just short of time. Okay, you can build a portfolio with all your skills, projects, and everything whatever you have on resume, and then where to deploy it. So you can deploy it on GitHub. That is the best thing for online portfolio. That is free of cost. You can just deploy it and get a link and then share it with everyone. So that is a good thing. That looks good. So just have an online portfolio. Okay, now the next and the final thing, the sixth thing, is visibility. Okay, now visibility, here, visibility of your profile. Okay, it doesn't mean that social media thing or the LinkedIn only thing. Visibility means how does your profile look, okay, in the eyes of recruiter. Okay, so that should be very clear. What does it mean? uh, so your profile has a lot of things, suppose, right? That is your desired role, your skills, your projects, your aim, okay, for applying to the job, everything. So that should be clear and concise and very specific. Okay, once the recruiters see or look at your profile, okay, he or she should be able to basically identify you as someone who is basically suitable for the role. Okay, like for example, many, I have seen many AIML learners just write that, okay, I am an AIML enthusiastic person, that's it, I am looking for AIML role. See, AIML is a very broad thing, right? You should be very specific about your desired role, about your desired domain. Okay, are you looking for NLP role? Are you interested in computer vision? Okay, are you basically comfortable in LLM? Have you done projects based on a specific thing? Because right now companies are mainly looking for uh, the roles, or basically for the candidates, for a very specific team like NLP team, suppose, right? So you should have some domain where you can show your expertise. Okay, so show that thing in your resume, in your project, that I am looking, or I am interested in this particular thing. Okay, don't chase a lot of all things, all domains. Okay, that, okay, you have done NLP also, computer vision also, you are interested in AI agents, LLM. Okay, no, you should be very specific about it. Right now in the industry, that is the trend. Okay, so it is better if your profile is very clear. Next thing is your GitHub in visibility. Your GitHub repo should be very clean. Okay, and it should be proper in at industry level now. Okay, they expect you to have an industrial level GitHub repo. What does it mean? It means that every project should have a readme file, okay, which basically should include all details about your project, tech stack you have used, everything, right? Then basically after readme, all a modular structure, okay, a modular folder structure, okay, for your project. Okay, don't just basically put whole code in a single file. That won't work, right? It should have a modular structure, multiple folders. Okay, that looks good. I will make a video on that also, that how to make your GitHub repo at an industrial level, right? You should have that. So your GitHub repo should be clean. Okay, your documents for the project should be you can say clean again. Okay, should be relevant, should have relevant information, so that whenever recruiters see at your report, okay, or she should be able to understand the context of the project and what you have done exactly. Okay, okay, one more thing, in resume, always attach a link to the project. Okay, project, of course, the repo of the GitHub, okay, for that particular project. Okay, and if possible, you can also put a link to a video where you have just recorded the demo of the project. Okay, so that looks good again. Okay, so that gives recruiter a confidence that, okay, you are, or you are suitable, or you might be suitable because you are serious about the things. Okay, so these are the small things which you need to be careful about. Okay, that's how you will improve your visibility. And the last thing is, and but not the least, that is visibility on the social media platform like LinkedIn. Okay, so keep posting, okay, about your projects, about your skills, showcase your skill, keep commenting on the related post, right? Make relevant connections, right? So these are the things which will improve your visibility and your profile. Okay, so these were the 6 things where you should focus on, okay, for off campus roles, because some many of these things can be missed or skipped in on campus, because on campus placement is totally a different game, right? Since you are in tier 1 college, that's why companies are coming and hiring you. But in off campus, you will face a competition from thousands of applications. Okay, so that's why here you need to be very careful. It is not easy to get an off campus job, but it is not impossible. Okay, right now, if you just play smartly, if you just use these strategies carefully, you will get an off campus AI ML role as per your desired profile. Okay, fine. So now, if you want such AI ML career advice or any concept clarity, follow and subscribe to Concepts of AI. Okay, let us meet in the next video.